Again, I will show you sarees with discount. There is no fixed rate of discount, but it will be till 500 rupees. I will start with a Chanderi Ajrak sari. Just see, there is zari in the palla, which all are tested zari. Pure Ajrak material, pure Ajrak print, hand block print with natural color, and the material is cotton silk Chanderi. Just check the material and the print. This is pure Ajrak print with zari pallu in the, you can see the zari pallu which is tested zari. This is the look. Sari number 13850 will get a discount, and the discounted price will be 3400. 3400 will be the discounted price, and here you are getting a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. It is a very common color of Ajrak, so you can easily understand, but see the print, it is very different. Original price 3850, now it will be 3400. I will show you mixed pack. Today's collection is mixed pack. I will show you different saris, but all are on discount. Number 2, this is also another Ajrak print. This is black, very pretty. But I must mention, these all are pure Ajrak print from Barmer, and all are with natural colors. And you will get a zari palla. See, this is the zari tested zari palla all over on all the saris. Again, the discounted price is 3400. Discounted price is 3400. This is the entire look, black with blue and maroon. This is the entire look. All are with natural colors. As you know, Ajrak are made with natural colors. This is the look. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit. This portion is the blouse piece. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. For booking the sari, you take the screenshot and send it to my number 9330866384. Moving to the third one, number 3. This is also another Ajrak. Material is Chanderi with zari pallu. This is the palla part, entire palla part. Material is very comfortable. Those who have taken from my last exhibition, they knew regarding this, and there is an announcement that on 3rd and 4th of April there will be an exhibition at my place, which is 75 Hindustan Park. This is number 3, again on discount, and the discounted rate will be 3400. This is the palla, and here comes the blouse piece. All are pure Ajrak. All are made with the hand block print and with the natural color. This is the look. Price is 3400. Now I will show you 2 saris which are very simple, but this are ideal for this summer. Cotton block print, tant block. These all from Bengal. See, this is the half sari. Half sari will be in this way with the box motif, green and blue combination. We need this type of saris for this summer, scorching summer. Requesting all of you to visit. Those who are in Kolkata, you can visit 3rd and on 4th at my place, which is 75 Hindustan Park. For any query, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number 933-0866-384. This is the look, half sari, and this is the half sari. The original price is 1850. Now you will get a discount and the price will be 1550. These saris do not have any blouse piece, but the price is 1550. Discounted price will be 1550. This is the entire look. Now moving to the next one. Number 5. This is number 5. Another tant block print. Very soothing color. People have asked for this type of saris. Just see. This is the look, entire look of the sari. Price remains same, 1550 after discount. Original price was 1850. Original price was 1850. After discount it will be 1550. It will be 1550. This is the look, sky blue color with both sides satin border. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. How do you like the sarees? And those who are watching me for the first time, please mention from which city you are watching. Try to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is saree number 6. It's a Bengal Dhakai saree with blouse piece. This extended part is the blouse piece. I am not going to show you the blouse piece. I will show you the saree. Just see. Palla part. This all are Bengal Tangail saree. Palla part. Now it comes like this. Throughout the body you will get, these all are weaving. I will show you the back part. This all are weaving. Original price was 2250. Now we will get a discount and the price will be 1900. 1900. Just see. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. All the sarees having small butta. All are hand weaved. This is the look. These all are very comfortable. The color is pista green. Palla part along with the blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Next one is a similar type, only the color is different. But you are getting discount on all the sarees. Right now you are getting discount. This discount will continue till 14th of April. See. This is another one. Another one. Sky blue color. Similar type. See the palla. It's beautifully done. These all we call Bengal Tangail sarees. Bengal Tangail sarees. Pure cotton, 100% cotton. And the price is, discounted price is 1900. 1900. This is sky blue color. I have shown you two light colors because of this summer. Now I will show you some sarees which all are Dhakai saree, which we call Dhakai Jamdani of Bengal, but all are very beautiful. All are very beautiful. Mostly all the sarees having a blouse piece. I will mention definitely. Even I am also wearing a Dhakai saree. Just see. This is the palla part. This portion is for palla. Beautiful saree. And see the butta. Price is 2250, but you will get a discount and the price will be 1900. You can see there are buttas with zari, with copper, with silver, with the maroon color. It's coffee color, dark chocolate color or coffee color you can say, with maroon. This is the entire look. It's a beautiful one. This saree having a blouse piece, running blouse piece, which you can make. This is the palla part. Beautiful one. Price is 1900. For booking, take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. Moving to the next one. Next one is also very pretty, of similar type with different color combination. All the sarees, I am not showing you the blouse piece, but all the sarees having a blouse piece. In fact, I can show you. This is the blouse piece. Now this color is green color. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, this is olive green. This is olive green. Just see the color combination. Requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and the booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. I will send you the saree through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Discounted price is 1900. There is an exhibition on 3rd and 4th of April at my place, which is 75 Hindustan Park. All are welcome. All cards will be accepted. So those who want to come or want to visit, give me a call or just come with the location. You write on Google Roshmi's, you will reach the place, which is 75 Hindustan Park near Bashanti Devi College. This is another Dhakai sari, Dhakai Jamdani sari. This is number 10. See the color combination, it's beautiful one, beautiful one. Just see the color combination. Again the price, these all are with blouse piece and the price is 1900. These all are semi-hard with pure cotton material. Pure cotton material, price is 1900. Semi-hard, palla, and in this sari also you are getting a blouse piece like this. This portion is for blouse piece. See the color combination, it's maroon with blue with yellow. It's a beautiful one. Moving to the next one, pista green. Price will remain same, only the designs are different. I will show you. This sari is also having a blouse piece. See, this portion is for blouse piece. The color combination, it's another beautiful color combination. Just see, it's a short color of green. There is a tinge of yellow. Is you can see whether it is I don't know whether it is clear or not, but it is a combination of green with yellow, tinge of yellow, but with silver and gold zari. Copper zari is also there, but it looks very pretty. Price is same, 1900, which is a discounted price. Now another beautiful color, which is peach color, palla along with the blouse piece. This sari is also along with the blouse piece. See the design, I think it is clear. You can see the design, entire sari. The design of the entire sari, it is clear. It's a beautiful one, very eye soothing. You can wear it in the night also with a proper jewelry and blouse. But the color of this sari is peach and the price is 1900. This sari also having a blouse piece. This is the look. Another one, this is actually coffee color, coffee bean color. I must say this is the coffee bean color of the sari. Palla. This sari also having a blouse piece and the price remains same. Also having a blouse piece and the price remains same. See the work, see the color combination. It's beautiful one, beautiful one. This sari also having a blouse piece. These all are Dhakai Jamdani, semi-hard cotton base. Semi-hard cotton base Dhakai Jamdani, and see the color combination, all are very different. Palla part, and in this sari also you are getting a blouse piece like this. You will get this type of border for the blouse. Price is 1900. 1900. Moving to the next one. Next one is another very different type of color. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel, put some comments and share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. The price of this sari is also 1900. 1900 is the discounted price. The original price of all these saris are 2250, but you are getting a discount and the price is 1900 only with free shipping. You are getting a free shipping all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. This is the look, full look of the sari. Palla. Along with this sari also you are getting a blouse piece. All the saris having a blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece. Full golden zari is used in this sari. Price is 1900, and you can see these all are semi hard. This is number 15. The original price is 2000. Discounted price is 1700. 1700 is the discounted price. See the palla, see the entire work of the sari. Entire work of the sari. This is the entire work of the sari. All over the sari you will get the design. Price is after discount 1700. 1700 is the price after discount. This is the look. 1700 is the price after discount. So for booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. These all are very pretty. All are discounted saris. I will repeat regarding the exhibition once again. Exhibition will be held on 3rd and 4th of April at my place, which is 75 Hindustan Park. Booking number is 9330866384.